Hello, welcome to JMeter training. In this video, I'll show you how to install JMeter on Mac. Also, the same process can be used for Windows as well. The prerequisite for this installation is you should have JDK 8 installed. Ensure that you have JDK 8, not 10 or any later version, because there may be some issues with other versions. The steps involved in the installation is pretty simple, and you need to go to Apache official site, and from the download area download the required binary file and extract the binary file into the install directory. We create a project directory, and within that we organize the files into specific folders, directories, and the binary file or the extracted file will go into the install directory. And then finally we will start JMeter to and verify the installation and by checking the versions and adding a thread group. So let's move into the demonstration. First, we will verify the Java version. Open a terminal window and a command window in Windows. Let me increase the font size and type this Java space -version to verify the version. And you should have 1.8 on your machine. If you don't have, please ensure that you install the JDK 1.8 from Oracle site. Then navigate into the official site of JMeter, jmeter.apache.org site, and then click on the download releases area. And if you are interested in installing the latest version, it is available in this section. Ensure that you don't get the source, because we are not going to do any changes or compile it. We are interested in running the JMeter, so these are the two files that you need if you want to install the latest version. In case if you want to go for a previous version of JMeter, you can get them from this section, also source, binary, and this area you can get, and also you can see the dates of release date of them as well. So I'm interested in downloading the latest version. Click on this, and it takes time, and 2 minutes. Let's wait for the download to complete. Okay, download has completed. Let's move the installation into our folder directory. Folders. And once it is done, you should go to navigate to bin folder and run the jmeter.sh file in case of Mac or Linux, and you need to run double click on jmeter.bat file in case of Windows. Also, there is another option to run JMeter, that's running this jar file. So let's move into the command window, and I'm in my home folder, and training JMeter install folder. All my installation will go inside this one, and navigate to the Apache JMeter file and bin directory and ls. These are the files available within the bin folder, and ls -l jmeter.sh. This is the file that I'm going to run. This file can be executed, so x is there, and if it is not there, you need to change the mode. Change mode plus x jmeter.sh to ensure that it is executable. So let me run the file and start the JMeter, and JMeter is being started. So installation is successful. If you go to help and click on this, and you can get the latest version of JMeter.